Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will create a profile readme, and because this type of profile is not good, right? So I will be using a GitHub profile readme maker tool called GPRM. So you can also visit this tool at https column / gprm dot itsvg.in. Right, so here you have to enter your GitHub username. So my username is Anshul Soni 2010. Right, so I have already written my about me, so I am copying pasting this, right? So here is my about me. You can write yours too, right? They are changing the way. No, I don't like. Yeah, it's okay, right? So they suggest GitHub states, right? So I want to change the theme to tokenite and lifetime commits, right? Then next, here you can add your username. So my username of LinkedIn is to Anshul dash Sony 2010, right? And on CodePen Anshul Sony 2010. Twitter same, and Instagram same. So and on YouTube my ID is code with Anshul. So yeah, next, then here you can select your skills, what you know, right? So HTML, CSS, Tailwind, Java, Script, Django, no, right? So I don't know JavaScript, HTML5. Here I saw some Canva, Figma, and then what I need. Then we can add Node. Where is Express? Where is Python? Yeah, here is a Netlify, Firebase, Google Cloud. I knew about something, and Python. Yeah, here is Python. Right, and you can change the theme. Flat. No, for the badge is good for me. It's all optional. So if you don't want to add some donation link, so you can add here, but I don't want to add, so I am skipping this. So I want in Tokyo night background should be there. Would also add GitHub trophies to my profile. Then here is it, pink color is good, and icon should be a eye, not good, bold. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, it fetch my latest tweet of Twitter. So add Twitter card here. Add random code. Yeah, it's okay. I want to change Tokyo night here. Layout horizontal is okay. And here contribution of some repo. Right. So Tokyo night, here is it. Tokyo night. Add random memes if you don't want. I don't want it, so I am disable it. So next, so damn, it created the awesome profile, right? So it looking good. So I am going to copy this code and And as you know that we have to create a repository called your username itself. So I have created, right. Here is it, my ID name repository. So I will create a readme. Here is it, readme. It created readme.md. So they are recommending this, but I don't like. So yeah, we have copied from here and pasted here, right? So now commit changes, profile ready, right? You see how it is looking. Let me know in comment. And as you see, this is open source, so you can also contribute with them. And yeah, it is not a sponsor video and all. My friends said me that please create the video on this, so I created, but it's not a sponsor video, right? So it is open source project. You can also contribute on this project on GitHub. See, here is it, their website, code. Yeah. So yeah, page speed is good for them, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. So don't forget to follow or subscribe me, and like this video if you like, and also share with your friends so they can also make the profile like pro, right? So if someone go to my ID, they can see here. Looks good.